Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Dhyana Bhavsar. Today we are looking at a major weather development across the United States, where the arrival of April is bringing the start of the spring weather season. Meteorologists says millions of people across the central and eastern parts of the country are now facing several days of storms, heavy rain and potential flooding. A powerful weather pattern is setting up across the plains, Midwest and Ohio Valley, placing more than 52 million people under a severe weather threat. Forecasters says this is just the beginning of what could be multiple days of intense storms lasting through the weekend. This kind of pattern is typically for early spring in the United States when cold air from the west collides with warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico, creating the perfect condition for severe thunderstorms. One of the most dangerous zones right now are stretching across southern Kansas, western Oklahoma and parts of North Texas. Meteorologists says storm developing along a boundary called a dry line, where dry air meets warm moist air, could rapidly intensify during the afternoon and evening hours. The U.S. Storm Prediction Center has already issued a level 3 out of 5 severe weather risk for parts of this region. Another major concern with this weather system is prolonged heavy rainfall. Warm temperatures across the eastern two-thirds of the country are pumping moisture into the atmosphere, which means the storms will have plenty of fuel to produce intense rainfall. Forecasters says the highest flash flooding risk currently includes eastern Kansas, northern Oklahoma and western Missouri. Some areas could receive 2 to 3 inches of rain and isolated locations may see even higher totals. Flash flooding can occur very quickly, especially in urban areas or regions with already saturated grounds. As the storm system moves eastward, the threat won't stop in the plains. By Thursday and Friday, the same system is expected to move into the Midwest, Great Lakes, affecting cities like Chicago, Milwaukee, and St. Louis. Further east, the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic region could also experience repeated rounds of storms. A warm front stretching across the eastern U.S. will act like a storm track, allowing thunderstorms to repeatedly develop along the same corridor. This means areas from West Virginia and Virginia into Maryland and Pennsylvania could see periods of heavy rain and thunderstorm through the end of the week. That's your latest US severe weather update. If you found this report helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more global weather update.